Right, hey guys, and welcome to another video, and today I thought I would just record, and I've already done a couple of videos before this, but I thought I would record because basically this guy is like being really rude to me, and I wanted to show you guys as well as do other stuff. So basically she said, "Hi, gift please now or I'll block you. I have given you an autograph. Hey." No, hi. I said, hey. I said, do you know what? I could not care less if you block me because she has been really rude to me. Just hi, block me. Hi, stupid friend. You are the worst, horrible friend ever. I hate you. Text me scared. I said, you were just horrible to me though. She said, hi, you the ugly. And I was like, mate, you're just mean to me. Don't try and or act all nice now. I was just saying, like, if you think I'm ugly, like, look at you, plus you're only level 11. Why don't you look on my profile if you don't believe what level I am? Me, like, look, she's at level 11. But gifts for me, if you don't give her gifts, she might block you. Or she doesn't block me because she obviously just wants beef with me and stuff. I said gifts in mail time, but I'm not saying that there's wrong with this, but like, no one's giving me gifts. Whoops. What's a party I've never been? Well, I went to once, I didn't get in. Oh my gosh, she reminds me of Holly Nova. That girl there. I can't click on her and run at me. Oh, Townsend, look at him. Pop up. Oh, I have earphones, okay. So she's been texting me. Now, like, I don't know what's wrong. Like, it's actually annoying. Like, plus I've been VIP once and stuff. And, you know. Okay, and I bet she's not even gonna like text me back now, cause like, yeah, no. I'm just gonna like update my bio. Oh, for the people who like haven't seen it, because yeah, no. Oh, this piece of hair is in my eye, it's annoying. What's about the I've never been? Oh my god, what's about it? Oh, here's the girl. Oh, I'm just messaging. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. She likes to be friends. Like, now she's not even texting me. Let's like read her. This one's I fell in love with my best friend. Yes, her and her best friend. And now going out. This guy cheeky as me. Are you just like, oh my god. Okay, so like, she's like replying now. Bet you are not replying. I'm gonna see a response. I'm just gonna like be back if she responds, and if she doesn't, then you know, this might have been like a boring video, but you know, I just wanted to tell you guys and stuff, because why not? Alright guys, I'm back, and she hasn't replied in about like 5 to 10 minutes. I know it doesn't seem like 5 to 10 minutes for you guys, because obviously I paused the video, but you know. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it's quite boring because I was only like re-updating you guys. But yeah, please like and subscribe. Bye.